Red, red wine, go to my head, makes me forget that I still need a soul. Red, red wine, it's up to you.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Now when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprung. Wanna pull up tough, cause you notice that butt was stuffed deep in the jeans she's wearing. I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh baby, I wanna get with ya and take your picture. My homeboys tried to warn me, but that butt you got makes
me so horny.
Ooh, rumpa smooth skin. You say you wanna get in my bins? Well, use me, cause you ain't that average groupie.
It's up to you. All I can do, I've done, but memories won't go. No memories don't go. I'd have thought that with time, thoughts of you would leave my head. I was wrong, and I find just one thing makes me forget. Red, red wine, stay close to me. Don't let me be alone. It's tearing apart my I'm not good. Holy my girl wanna check me. Girl look good and the girl look fine. Although she just play with me mind. Forward me I go and me nah rewind. She have to come back someday sometime. Long time we know I have a nice time. She a go